Students, today we are going to study the next point of this lesson, geometric construction, that is congruence of segments. Congruence of segments म्हणजेच रेषाखंडाची एकरूपता किंवा एकरूप रेषाखंड. Now let us see an example. त्या ठिकाणी एक पेपर आहे. समोर समोरच्या बाजू घेतल्या आपण. Let us see. Just keep these sides one above the other. We see that these two exactly coincide. Similarly, let us see lengthwise these sides. These two sides also exactly coincide. So we can say that these segments are, or these sides are of equal length. Such a sides are called as congruent segments. So let us define this congruent segment as the segments which have equal measure. ज्या रेषाखंडाची लांबी समान असते त्यांना म्हणायचं एकरूप रेषाखंड. ज्या रेषाखंडाची लांबी समान असते. The segments which have equal measure are called as congruent segments. Now let us see first definition. The segments having equal measure or equal length. The segments having equal lengths are called congruent segments. Now let us see segment AB and segment PQ. Using divider, we have to check whether the lengths of these two segments are equal or not. So using divider, just check this length and this length, both are equal. So we can say length AB is equal to length PQ. Length of segment AB is equal to length of segment PQ. Both segments are of equal length. So we can say that segment AB is congruent to segment PQ. Using symbol, we can write as segment AB is congruent with segment PQ. This is the symbol of congruence. हा दोन रेषाखंड एकरूप दाखवण्यासाठी हा सिंबल आपण वापरतो. बरोबर चिन्ह आणि त्यावर स्लीपिंग एस. अशा प्रकारे आपण दिलेले सेगमेंट कॉंग्रुएंट आहेत किंवा नाहीत हे दाखवू शकतो. जर त्यांची लांबी समान असेल तर त्या कॉंग्रुएंट सेगमेंट असतात. Let's study the properties of congruent segments. So first property of congruent segment, if segment AB is congruent with segment PQ. AB आणि PQ या दोन सेगमेंट कॉंग्रुएंट असतील तर opposite segment PQ is also congruent with segment AB. म्हणजेच काय, जर सेगमेंट AB आणि PQ एकरूप असतील तर सेगमेंट PQ आणि AB सुद्धा काय असतात, एकमेकांशी एकरूप असतात. The second property is if segment AB is congruent with segment PQ, segment PQ is congruent with segment MN, then segment AB is congruent with segment MN. म्हणजेच काय, सेगमेंट AB आणि PQ, रेख AB रेख PQ एकरूप असतील, PQ आणि MN एकरूप असेल तर पहिला रेषाखंड हा तिसऱ्या रेषाखंडाशी एकरूप असतो.